Welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to manage tickets in Zoho Desk. Step 1. Go to Tickets. Once you're logged in, click on the Tickets tab at the top navigation bar. This is where all your customer queries are organized. Step 2. View all tickets. By default, you'll see the All Tickets view. Each ticket displays details like subject, ticket ID, customer name, and status. You can also switch between different views using the options on the left panel. Step 3. Use filters. On the left side, you'll find the Filter panel. Here, you can narrow down tickets by multiple criteria such as status, contact name, product name, ticket owner, created by, and modified by. Simply select or search for the desired filter to quickly find the tickets you need. Step 4. Status drop-down filter. You can also filter tickets by status using the drop-down at the top. Choose from options like Open, Escalated, or Closed to focus on specific ticket stages. Step 5. Change view mode. On the right side, you'll find the View Options menu. You can switch between Classic View, Compact View, or Table View. Additionally, you can choose work modes like Status Mode, Handshake Mode, Countdown Mode, or Priority Mode to organize your workflow. Step 6. Open and respond to a ticket. Click on any ticket to open it. Inside, you can read the customer's query, add a response, assign the ticket to an agent, or update its status. Use the editor to type your reply and click Send when ready. Step 7. Create a new ticket. To create a new ticket, click the plus icon at the top right corner, select New Ticket, fill in the customer details and issue description, then click Submit. That's it. You now know how to view, filter, manage, and create tickets in Zoho Desk. Got an idea for a process, product, or business improvement? Share it with us, and we'll map out the next step workflow for execution. Comment or DM us today. We will provide this in 1 hour.